What's up, guys? Welcome to the Crypto Savvy channel. I'm Craig. Today we're going to be going over the charts. I'm going to show you a lot of bearish views in the macro. Also, I'm going to show you the possibility of new all-time highs after the macro bearish view. Definitely stick around for the whole video. Make sure you guys smash that thumbs up. Leave your comments down below. For right now, in the beginning of the video, I want you to write whether you're bullish or bearish in the comments. And then towards the end of the video, if you changed your mind, put changed your mind, whether it be to bullish or bearish or bullish. You tell me. I'm going to share you my ideas of the markets with you, and let me know what you think. So let's take a look at this wave count we've been watching on the 4-hour chart, right? I put this wave count after we hit 2. I told you guys about this. I was looking for 3 at 51.7, 51.8 range to get a bounce up to the 56.8 or 59.7 area for wave 4, and then wave 5 ultimately down to as low as 42.885. I'm going to show you where my trade's at with that here in a second. But you can also see the falling channel here. We definitely have a lot more room to the downside to probably hit that 51.8 to 51.7 range. But of course, we're going to have some resistance right here, or some support right here at the 59.7 and 56.8. We may bounce around in this little area for a while before coming down for wave 3, then looking for wave 4, and then wave 5. Now, could this just be a big wave 1, and then we get a big rally up to that 67,000 after to make this whole thing a big wave 1, 2? We'll talk about that. I'll make a video about that. But for now, let's look at what's going on here. Let me get the retracements, Fibonacci extensions and retracements off here. But this is what I'm looking at right now, right? So I'm up 670% on this trade. Will be a lot more if we get down to this 51.8 range. I do have my take profit set at 52,000 right now, just in case we don't hit that range. And then I'll be looking to add more shorts here. If you're looking for a long, this would probably be a good place if this plays out. But remember, we have to break this 59.7 range, and let me show you. Like I said, we're going to take a look at the bullish case. And in the bullish case, this wave was done right here. Let me get this out of the way so you can see it. This wave was done right here. It was a perfect ABC 1-to-1 extension and then a move up. If we don't break this, that would go into the bullish case I'm going to be showing you. Now, first, let's take a look at the weekly, right? You can see this if you look at this right here. It's called the CM Alt MACD MTF. If you put that on your charts, this is the weekly, right? You can see each time we had a weekly cross at the top right here, we had our red dot signal. Even at this one here, we had our signal. Right here, we had our signal. And right here, we had another signal. And now we are having a crossover right here, which is extremely bearish in the macro. Now, let's get into first off. So this is another, whoops. Sorry about that, guys. I've got to delete that, delete that, delete that. All right, let me pull this over now. And showing you the triple top pattern that I believe could be coming. And if you guys were around, most of you probably weren't, back in 2000 when everything was super bullish, kind of like what's going on in the crypto market, right? That Amazon did a 95% correction after that, right? If Bitcoin was to do the same, and as you guys know, I've been calling for a low of 45 to 9,700. I think that's still in the cards, in my opinion, right? That we get down. If it went to the same drop as that, would be around 4,000 range. But remember, I do have some serious support at 97. Let's look at one more thing here. Where are we at? Right here. This, guys, looks like a tweezer top. As you can see, the rejection was in the same area. And this is the monthly chart. If this, in fact, closes like this, this is going to be a major tweezer top pattern for the monthly. As you can see, I have a trend line off of these wicks down here, would get us down to 97 somewhere in May. of 2025 if that was to happen. But we also have this huge support at 35.14. Now, as you can see in the RSI right here, right, we had a touch at the top, touch at the bottom, touch at the top. Did not touch here. It did not touch the bottom of the RSI here. So I do believe we could come down and touch that before touching the top of this. So be careful. I'm seeing some very bearish stuff here. So let's take a look at the bullish case. So the bullish case, which I showed you, this being an ABC, right? As long as this sign of weakness holds right here, we come up for one more high to 75 to 76,000, come back down, that being the final high, right? This is the Wyckoff distribution phase, schematic number 2. Here, let me pull that up on the chart so you can see it. Right here, right? As you can see, it is looking at like a possibility, but if we break that sow, that invalidates this, right? But if that sign of weakness holds and we do get this rally up, we could be looking for one more high, possibly. But this SOW has to hold. Now, let's take a look at the schematic 1. This shows possibility of 2 more highs. And we'll pull that up on the chart here. Right here shows that same high. So if this sow was to hold, it would be a good long up to here. But as you guys know, I think we're in a 5-wave count to the downside here. We'll see how it plays out. So far, it is looking rough. Like I said, the macro view in a lot of different angles is looking rough. This here, this monthly candle closes today, tonight. If this closes like it is now without a big rally back up to like 6,500 or something, then there's nothing but bearishness in this tweezer top, if that's the case. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Make sure you guys smash that thumbs up. If you guys are interested in trading, check out Prime XBT. I have a link down below. You can get up to a $7,000 bonus or 25% off your trading fees just by using my link down below. Take it easy, guys. I'm out. Have a great day. Let me know, did you change your mind or not?